Qué chulada. She said, this is Chang, this is where you want to sit?
Yep.
Are you sure?
We're in the soak zone.
In the soak zone?
I love it.
Okay. You sure you want to sit here?
Yeah.
You get soaked?
Yeah.
You excited, Asha?
Yeah.
Okay, Day. You don't want to go in the soak zone? No, thank you. Okay.
I would like to go in the soak zone.
They're down there.
Hello, everyone, and welcome to Dolphin Amphitheater, home to 16 bottlenose dolphins ranging in age from 23 months old to 42 years young. We love to care for these animals and celebrate each and every day with them. I have a question for all of you. Are you ready to meet up? Great, because here they are. First up, she is one of our younger dolphins at only 12 years old and our most athletic dolphin. Coming to give you all a big wave hello. Say hi to Coco. Next up, this little lady lives here with her sister Corona and she loves to play with toys. Coming to show you just how fast she can swim and add her own flair, here is Venus. And finally, she is the mother of 6 and our oldest dolphin here at Dolphin Amphitheater, showing you just how high she can fly. Give it up for Sandy! And we can't forget about our dedicated trainers who care for these animals each and every day. Say hello to our talented What a great start to the show. How is my Soapstone doing? Ladies and gentlemen, you just had the chance to meet some of our bottlenose dolphins, but we have another animal who lives in our dolphin home. They are our short-fin pilot whales. Pilot whales are found throughout our global ocean and are close relatives of both orcas and dolphins. All 4 of our pilot whales were rescued and each have their own unique stories and personalities. And one of the best parts of working with them is getting to know each of them. So, I would like to take this moment to tell you about not only our oldest, but our largest resident pilot whale here at SeaWorld San Diego. His name is Argo. Argo is 21 years old and weighs over 2,500 pounds. Argo was rescued after being found stranded on a beach in Japan. Multiple attempts were made to return Argo to the ocean, but after he re-stranded again and again, the decision was made to bring him into zoological care. He lived in a facility in Japan for 8 years with dolphins, and then the decision was made to bring him here to SeaWorld San Diego, where he could live with others of his own kind. He has been with us for 9 years and has been thriving ever since. One of his buddies is named Ava, and she is one of the 3 of our pilot whales who beached in Florida in 2012. She was estimated to be only 3 to 6 months old, and due to her young age, she was deemed unreleasable by the Florida Fish and Wildlife Commission. So she found her forever home here at SeaWorld. Another one of their buddies is named Piper, and if you look closely, you may notice that she has a unique scar on her mouth. This is due to a fishing hook that was found in her mouth at the time of her rescue. Just like many other dolphin whale pods, our pilot whale pod is matriarchal, which means that the ladies are in charge. Piper is the boss, and so if you listen closely, you may hear her vocalizing to the others to keep in line. Last but not least, Ace is our other male pilot whale, and he is the teddy bear of the group. He has the cutest eyes and loves attention from his trainers. We are so lucky to have these pilot whales in our care, not only to share with you all, but to learn more about their amazing species. These 4 participate in growth studies as well as several other data collections so that researchers can learn more about them and ways to better help improve conservation efforts around the world. One fun fact I love to share about pilot whales is that they can dive very, very deep in the ocean. If you look up at our sky tower, which is 300 feet tall, these guys can dive down 10 times the depth of that to depths of 3,000 feet, hunting for squid and other fish. Pilot whales have a zest for life. They are curious and playful. One of the best ways we improve our relationships with our pilot whales is with a little bit of playtime. So please watch as we share this playtime with Argo and his buddies, Ava, Ace, and Piper.
Here comes the sun, that's it.
such amazing animals with such beautiful stories. These 4 are just a drop in the ocean of animals that SeaWorld has rescued over the last 55 years. SeaWorld has rescued over 38,000 animals company-wide and over 300 animals this year alone here at SeaWorld San Diego. We couldn't do this without your help and support, so thanks to you for being here today. Now, as our amazing animals make their way back out, we hope they inspire you to make a difference, not only for us, but for future generations to come. By recycling and reducing your use of one-use plastics, you can make a huge difference in how much trash is entering our oceans. By taking what you learned here today, educating others, and being curious about the ocean and its inhabitants, the change can start with you.
Oh, Day-Day's going back
Just
down.
by being here today, it shows your love for the animals. We hope you will join us in our commitment to care for the land, seas, skies, and all of its amazing animals. Ladies and gentlemen, you just had a chance to witness some of our high-energy sessions where our animals were doing jumps, flips, and twirls. But believe it or not all of our interactions are at this level. We do take time to slow down behind the scenes to really get to know our animals one-on-one, to understand what they like and dislike, to be able to work with them in the best way possible. As trainers, it is our most important job to foster a strong connection of mutual trust between us and our animals. Each of the trainers works with each of our animals, which keeps things interesting, and each show is different. So if you come back next time, you may see something totally different. We do have 2 baby animals here with us today. Their names are Jack and Skylar, and they are about to turn 2 years old this month of October. So keep an eye out for them because they have a lot of amazing things to learn from their pod. Here is Jack right here, and Skylar's coming up right now. Well, it looks like the gang's all here, and that means it's time for some more fun. Let's live it up, because the world is ours.
To the sea, to the air that we breathe, from the depths of the earth to the stars. Let the world run like you're born to fly. Live like you'll never die. Dare what you dare to dream, and everything in between.
Oh, you got a little soaked?
Yeah. No, it's not little. I got long.
Was it nice?
Yeah,
Did you enjoy it?
kind of.
They could really fly, huh?
Yeah.
All right, let's go.